to wrap it up, you may be worried about whether you can do this online, right? And the fact is, no, you don't. We agree about that. It's much, there are many things that you can only do when you have classes in person. And that's the idea, right? That Fernando will tell you in just a minute that, you know, if you go through one of the problems like the ones they have, you could have the option, but not the obligation of taking classes online. What I do for work is I go to all these countries, and then the weekend before and after, I go to the countries around. So the beauty that you have if you were to do this is that you could, for example, go a weekend earlier and go to Rome and Madrid. Then the weekend in the middle, you could go to London, and the weekend before you go home, you could go to Paris. Look, the fact is that I am biased, right? I do believe in the value of education. I think that you will be able to make more money. I think that you don't have to spend a lot of money in tuition, that it will increase your global mobility, that it will increase your network reach, that now is a good time to do it because unemployment is high, and that since you have programs that offer both things, and in one case where admission is still open, now it's probably the best time to do it. I will pass it on to you, Fernando, and then I'll stay here and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys may have about my part of the presentation. Thanks very much. Fernando?